talaga. Yung bag niya nakabukas.
Yung?
Bag ni Inix. May kasha.
may 상복?
예, 안녕하세요. 예, 저는 한국 사람입니다.
안녕하세요.
예,
안녕.
예, I'm a Korean. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
학생이, are you student?
Yes. Yes.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
UST.
Wow. UST. You watching K-drama?
No, K-pop. K-pop.
Oh, you, oh.
회전입니다.
K-pop.
그리고 저 회전입니다.
대박.
Yeah, first time,
First time Korean driver.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
But, Tagalog, Kunti Tagalog.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, can
okay.
you teach me Tagalog?
Sure. How long have you been staying?
2 years
저
here.
회전입니다.
Oh?
Yes.
회전입니다.
Dalawang taon.
Hmm?
Dalawang taon.
2 years. Dalawa
Dalawa is 2.
2.
Yes.
Dalawa
Taon.
taon.
This year.
Oh, 2 years.
Yes.
Dalawa.
Dalawang taon.
Dalawa taon.
회전입니다.
Yes.
오, 감사합니다. I have a karaoke here.
You have karaoke?
Yeah.
Ah, that's cool.
That's so fun.
Look. You want to try? The songbook is there.
Well, you want to sing Wannabe? Go.
Yeah.
Get your act together, we could be just fine. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really want to ziggy zig. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. It's too easy, but that's the way it is.
Here's a star from A to Z. You wanna get with me, you gotta listen carefully. We got every kind of place you like, sit in your face. We got you like MC, you like sit in easy breeze, sit down for free. Is it real?
You know the song?
Yeah, I heard the song.
So everybody down the wide is around. So everybody down the wide is around.
Wow.
This is so fun.
Yeah, this is so fun. Yeah.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoy it.
Do you have a favorite song?
Korean song or Filipino song?
Any.
Or any.
Any, before I like, Wish Alive. More band, Wish Alive.
I'm not familiar with it. I'm so sorry.
It's like a empty street, empty house, oh summer, like that.
Do you know that?
That's Wish Alive.
I'm not familiar with that.
Madali kayo mag-isip.
Do you know Justin Bieber?
Yeah, I know Justin Bieber.
I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 oh, thought you'd always be mine, mine. When I was 13, I had my first love. There was nobody that could ever above. She had me going crazy. Oh, I was starstruck. She woke me up daily. Don't need no Starbucks.
The school or
Playground.
But I really want to see you on the weekend. She knows she drive me crazy. Cause she was so amazing. And now my heart is breaking. But I just keep on saying,
Baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 no, like, baby, 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 oh, thought you always be mine, gone, I'm gone.
Wow.
Woo!
Yeah.
This is so fun.
Best grab ride ever.
This is the best.
Hmm?
You're amazing.
Oh. You put 5 star.
5 stars.
Wow.
Yes, of
Yeah,
course.
감사합니다.
Put 5 stars.
We'll make it 6.
Oh,
6
yeah.
stars.
Oh. By the way, what is your name?
Martin.
Hmm?
Martin.
Martin. You.
Inigo.
Inigo.
Mhm.
Inigo. And
Sam.
Sam.
Sam. Yeah, just call me Mr. He.
Mr. He.
Yeah.
안녕하세요, Mr. He.
안녕하세요.
That's my last name.
오.
But first name is Opang. Opang.
오빠?
Opang.
오팡.
Yeah, Opang.
Okay.
오팡.
Upang He.
Is that a joke?
Hmm?
That's not a joke?
That's my last He. Mr.
Oh,
He.
okay,
But
okay.
you could just call me Mr. He.
Mr. He.
Mr. He.
Yeah,
Okay.
Mr. He.
Oh, we're near na.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we're near.
Welcome to our school.
Oh,
It's USD. It's very hot.
No.
Yeah, you've been Korea. You've been Korea.
I went to Korea once. To
Once?
Myeongdong.
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 Yes.
Oh, yeah, I know Myeongdong.
Shopping.
Yes, there's so much shopping and I love the food.
Yeah. I live in Incheon.
In?
Incheon.
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 Yeah, you know Incheon?
Ah, near the airport?
Yeah.
Ah.
But this is a secret. Actually, I'm originally from North.
No. Okay.
I escaped before when I
Really?
was young.
Really?
Yeah, but this is a
Okay.
secret.
Well, okay, we got
Yes.
you. Okay.
We are happy for you.
We're
Yeah,
happy for you.
I'm happy to
Ah.
explore the world.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what brings you here in the Philippines?
Hmm?
Yes.
Why are you here in the
I'm
Philippines?
planning here to build a business here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What is this?
Good luck, good luck.
I like overload.
Overload.
Yeah, you know overload?
Food? Is that
Yeah,
food?
food overload.
Nachos? Like nachos?
No. Overload.
Only?
Yeah, overload.
Like
Sangyu?
samgyupsal?
No. It's like a Paris.
Paris.
Pares?
Yeah, Paris.
Ah. Oh, okay.
You know that?
Yes.
Yeah, Paris overload.
Oh, okay.
Good luck, good luck.
Good
But
luck.
I'm planning kimchi overload.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
kimchi
Where
overload.
will you have this? We'll visit.
Hmm?
We'll visit.
No, for now we're looking for a space.
Looking for plane.
Okay.
Yeah, place.
Okay.
Yeah, just that's why I do this. Just go around
Mm.
to looking for
Mhm.
some place.
Oh, okay.
What do you recommend? Near
Around
school?
here, school.
Near
Yes.
school?
Yes, I think school.
Yeah, kimchi
Or-
overload. Yeah,
Yeah.
kimchi overload. Yeah.
If not near
Mr.
school,
has Mr. has
kimchi overload.
kimchi.
Yeah,
overload.
Mr. Kimchi overload.
Yeah, that's cool.
How about the Paris overload?
Paris overload.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, pizza na?
If Paris around places where people drink.
Drink.
Yeah, like
Drunk.
yeah.
Oh.
It would be good to near school so that
Yeah.
there's a lot of
School.
people.
Yeah.
Yes, we're near.
Thank you so much.
Aw.
Yeah. Oh, 감사합니다. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
안전히 계세요.
Oh. Here?
Yes.
At
Yes.
the back of the
McDonald.
McDonald.
Macdo.
Here's your
Hmm?
remote.
Oh, yeah.
And here. Oh. Okay. Okay, later. Okay, oops.
Dito na lang po tayo, no?
Ala!
Ay, nakakainis ka naman.
Kuya naman.
Ang galing mo doon.
galing!
Game na game.
Nauto tayo. Nauto.
Sino na ito?
Pero ang galing.
Totoo.
So, kumusta po yung pagpapanggap ko bilang isang Korean?
Akala ko North talaga eh.
North talaga.
Happy na ako sa inyo, kuya.
So, it's a...
It's a wrap.
It's a prank.
It's a
Yan! It's a prank.
170, 170. Meron.
Okay. So, wait lang. May kakwento ako sa inyo.
Yes.
Actually,
Ano?
naka-video po tayo. Yo.
Ay!
So, ang tanong, actually, content creator po ako.
Gano'n naman pala.
Ganun pala.
Kaya it's a prank.
Ang galing.
Oh, okay.
Na-prank ka kami. Nakakaaliw yung may ano.
So, halata sa inyo na hindi kayo masyadong babad sa social media. Ano sa tingin niyo?
Nag-aaral po kasi kami
Oo, kaya nga, sabi ko yung mapaprank ko yung mga hindi babad sa social media kasi maraming na nakakilala sa akin, maraming na Ay, ikaw yung ano, panggap ng Koreano.
Kuya, say hi!
Ay,
Pinrank pa naman.
It's a prank.
It's a prank.
So, ayan, ang tanong, okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking social media account?
Ako okay lang.
Okay lang. So, baka meron kayong pahabol na shoutout.
Hello, ba?
guys.
Sabi ko may camera.
May camera? Napansin mo yung camera?
Papasok
Oh,
na po
ito pong
dapat.
camera.
Ayun isa. Nakakas kayo, no?
Po?
Nakakas kayo?
Cash ba?
Nakakas
Ay,
kayo, di ba?
akasya, akasya.
But
How much
it's
ba?
a free rides. It's a free ride po.
Eh,
Oh!
pinaprank talaga tayo ni Kuya.
Oh my God!
Free ride po kayo.
Ala!
Thank you
Totoo
so
ba,
much.
Kuya?
You're welcome po.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, kamsahamnida.
Kuya, ano pong ano nyo?
Hi, guys!
Mapapasok po ako.
Salamat ha, ingat
Late
kayo.
po kami.
Okay lang, sige na. Sige na.
Thank you po. Thank you. Ingat
Bye-bye.
Ingat
po.
po kayo.
Bye, kuya.
God bless po.
Yes.
Bye, kuya.
Bye-bye. Yes, yo. Woo! Success! Grabe. Sa dinami-ramin tayong pinaprank na nabubuko tayo, ngayon lang tayo nag-success dahil hindi nga sila babad sa social media kaya nabiktima. And it's done, Bertos TV, the Korean prankster and the great pretender na palaging minsan lang nagsasabing I'm not the greatest prankster, but I'm the great pretender. Let's go! Woo!